your girl Chrissy, and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I installed this 26-inch deep wave wig, 200% density hair from Alipearl. They sent me this wig. It came in yesterday, and y'all, I am in love. So it's so nice. The lace was the best lace ever. The packaging came with a scarf. It came with lashes. It came with this edge control brush. It also came with an elastic band, and it came with a stocking cap, which is what I have in my hair right now. But y'all, overall, I am obsessed with this hair. The hair texture is so soft, and you know, I kind of wet it right now, and it dries up later. I won't be mad, but it does get big, but I don't mind having big hair. Like, I have a thing for big hair. So I hope you guys stay tuned to the end of this video. I'll be showing you guys exactly step by step what I did. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now I got my hot comb ready. All I really need is a hot comb and like a blow dryer. It's curly hair, so you need a flat iron. But before I start, gotta drink my Monster. Y'all, the amount of times I drink Monster, you're too young.
You too young, first of all.
I'm really sad at the fact that I'm not doing a voiceover because I like listening to music. Yo, I need a new hot comb. This thing keeps turning off. The one I had before, I think it was called Golden Hot. That thing got really hot, but this keeps turning off. But I'm just gonna hot comb the hair back so I can see everything, you know? So the glue that I use Ghost Bond. I never used like bowl hold or anything like that. I just use Ghost Bond. I don't use bowl hold because Ghost Bond is cheaper. Oh, what the? Y'all, I swear this was not like this. Oh my god. Okay, just disregard that, y'all. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut the ear tabs. What I do is make sure that both sides are like aligned. You see this? This wig fits pretty good. I barely have to cut anything off. I like that. I also put foundation on the hair already. I'm gonna do 3 layers of the Ghost Bond. So usually I just do the middle first. After I put the 3 layers in the middle part, I feel like it's dry enough. We're gonna take the hair and just bring that bitch down. On my head. Alright, after I did the middle, I'm gonna go ahead and apply glue to the side. Basically gonna be the same thing. Apply the glue 3 times. Make sure you get the side because I plan on doing half up, half down, and I don't need the ear tab parts lifting. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Doing your own hair is really convenient, but these hairstylists do not be giving them freak. I'm not speaking on every single stylist, but their work will look good, but it's like all of a sudden when they do your hair, it's like, what the f is? So it's like, I feel like I always had to come home and modify it in some type of way to my liking, and I feel like if I have to do that, why am I paying you to do my hair in the first place? So The only thing I'll probably go to a hairstylist for is if it's a style that I'm very, very skeptical about doing on myself, or braids. I'm gonna use some Got To Be and spray it on the lace. And I'm gonna use my elastic band. It sucks when you don't have nobody to hold it up for you. This is what I mean. Alright, now that I put it on, I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit on cool air. Oh, my earring. Melt that shit hole. Now we're about to cut the lace. I'm gonna brush it. So I brushed the Got To Be out. And then I start off with a scissor. Almost forgot. So I put a little bit of makeup again. Not too much, like at all, because we don't need that much with this lace. Yo, what? The way I melted this, like, come on. What's the joke? What's the joke? Bitch, come up on that. What's the They could come up on that. What's the other side? Everything is cut. As you can see, it's still like a little, well, what I could see, I don't know if it's showing up on camera. I honestly feel like I don't have to melt it again. I'm really not specific on what I use on my baby hairs. Usually I'll curl my baby hairs, but right now I don't feel like turning on the flat iron. Should I just do it? No. But today I'm gonna use the rest that I have in here. I like soft looking baby hair, so I feel like I'm gonna have to just brush this out. Feel me? I'm just very happy right now because I was supposed to do this hairstyle for my birthday and it just didn't go down like that. So, you know, things happen for a reason. Now I'm gonna do my sideburn. Alright, so what I did is I added another rubber band right here so the ponytail could be a little taller. Like, I took a piece off, then I added the rubber band. Like, and then just start twisting it around. I'm gonna start from the top. So this is the hair dry. I'm gonna wet it in a second, but y'all, come on. Don't I look like an angel? And y'all see, this is a 26, but it's really giving, hold on, let me stand up. It's really giving 28, maybe even 30. Bitch is gonna say it's not my hair. This is how it looks wet. I like it when it's wet and I like it when it's puffy like this. It's bad bitch season and I'm taking over. This is the finished product, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, Alipearl, for sending me this hair. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys again.
Ooh.